Colorado is a great example of that. We have caps on non-economic losses, pain and suffering, for example, loss of enjoyment of life. If you're someone who is retired, or if you're an elderly person, or you're someone who's about to retire, your economic losses in the future are minimal because you're retired. And as a result of that, the person who's retired or the person who is elderly virtually does not have, from a cost-benefit analysis, does not have the kind of case that allows for a lawyer to be able to prosecute that case, because the cost of prosecuting the case and the cost of and with underneath the caps make it virtually impossible to handle those kind of cases, and it's truly unfair. Elderly people use health care a lot more than people that are younger, just like babies do. They use it a lot more. And so they're going to have, from a statistical analysis, a lot more opportunities to have harm to them through the medical system, whether that be the hospitals or the doctors or whatever. And those are incredibly expensive cases, and so they do not have a viable case from a cost-benefit analysis because of the caps. And why is it that someone who's 40 years old has a viable case because they have economic losses, and someone who is 70 years old doesn't have one because they're retired? That's not fair, and that's what tort reform does. It hurts the elderly.